everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's another Charlie's Nail Art collab. So this time it is trick or treat. So this is part of my 10 days of Halloween. So I'm going to be doing regular polish on tips again today. I'm going to try and do some of my nails, just that I'm running out of time because I'm still trying to catch up on everything. But anyway, I'm going to use this from Polish Cosmetics. And I'm going to use this from easynails, which is Beauty, my favourite black ever. I don't know if I'm going to add any other colours. We will see how it goes. So yeah, I'm going to stick some music on, and yeah, I will come back on the other side. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Okay, I'm just applying the final top coat now. I like how this turned out. Let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoyed my video today. Don't forget, if you make an order from Charlie's, don't forget my discount code. It will be at the end and it's always down below. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.